Welcome to the session of the Todo project by using the MEVN, Mongo, Express, View, and Node. So today we will discuss about the structure of the Todo project. So basically how we organize a Node project into different folders for models, repository, routes, and services, which is basically the common practice to maintain structure and the modular code base. So if you see here, so we have in the root directory we have the app.js and the index.js and other things we have, but that's not important. That's why I didn't mention the app.js, index.js, and we have the config folder. So this is the configuration files for your application, such as database configuration or the general app settings. So here we have the index.js, the port and the database configuration. Next, we have the database. Inside the database directory, currently we have the connection.js and the index.js file. So later in this video, I will add the models directory and the repository directory and corresponding files. And I will also add the routes directory and the services directory. There will be the routes directory and the services directory, and we'll also have the utils directory. We have already have the utils directory where we mentions all kinds of error for the error handling middleware. Now if I come to the short descriptions of this structure. So models, basically the folders contains the data models for your applications. These are typically responsible for defining the structure of your data. And next, if I come to the repository, so repositories handles database interactions and abstract way the data access layer. And next, the routes directory. The routes defines the API endpoints and route the incoming HTTP request to the appropriate controllers or services. And the next, the services. Services contains the business logic of your application. They interact with models, repositories, and other services to perform specific tasks. And we also have the utils. So utils can contain various utility functions and modules that are used throughout your application, such as validations functions, formatting utilities, or any other helper functions that doesn't fit neatly into the models, repositories, or the routes or the service categories. So let's create the basic structure. First, I will create this models directory. Inside models, we have the index.js and the todo models.js. I am leaving it blank for now. Next, I will create the repository directory. Next, I will add the routes directory. Next, I will add service directory. Next, I will go to the app.js and mount the route. So let's see if it's running successfully or not. So you can see it's run, there is no error. Okay, so that's all for this session. In the next session, we will see how we can add the APIs, the CRUD APIs, create, read, update, delete for the to-dos. Okay, thank you.